Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you the car8 ASCII index field, and that field is designed to return a numerical value to reflect the postcode value. And the purpose of it is for much faster queries. So in your Azure DB, you'll see in programmability functions, scalar valued functions, there's this function, convert postcode to car8 ASCII index. And that is, if you script it out, this is what you get. Now here, just to demo how it works, I've written a query to actually run it with my office's postcode, but in different formats. As you can see, no matter what the format, they're all the same value. So the purpose of this field, or the way in which we're using it, this function and field, in any table that has a postcode field, we actually use the car8 ASCII index as an additional computed column. So here I'm querying ODS API organization SCD, and you can see here I've got those values, and the table itself has an index on those values for faster queries. Now the idea is that you will script this function out from the Azure DB and add it into your own database. I've already done it here on my local database. And then you would add it to any of your tables that have a postcode. You could make a view on top of the table that has an additional field using this function, or you could do what I've done, which is have a computed field added to the actual table. So in this example table, I've got a field called postcode in which I've put some postcodes. But you see this one, it doesn't have a data type. That is actually a computed column. And you can see here, I've put in a formula. The formula simply being to run that function and pass into it the postcode field. The results are like so. And you'll see if I add some new records in, let's say I don't know, IP1 1AA, you can see it works them out for me. And so on. And that's it really. Thank you very much.